The best way to learn is by doing. Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hi, my name is Martin, and in this video, we're going to provide an introduction to SAP's MRP areas. This feature in SAP was offered in ECC and is now provided as standard in S/4HANA. It allows planners to have a better control of planning across storage locations and their subcontractors. This solution is quite robust and something that material planners will appreciate having in their toolkit. Christy, tell us a bit more about this MRP area thing.
Fantastic, Martin. MRP areas represent an important capability when used correctly. And in this demonstration, we're going to focus on three key things as an introduction. First, the types of MRP areas that are available. Second, the way we're able to differentiate our planning parameters by MRP area. And third, some of the most common use cases for MRP areas. This comes up as an opportunity at most of our clients, and I'm excited to dive in. MRP areas are coming soon to a theater near you. If you are moving to S4, it'll be just a standard part of the way the system is going to operate going forward. If you are on ECC, you may or may not have these enabled already. They are a great tool for when we need to have discrete planning parameters across different locations. We need to have a logical segmentation of our planning and replenishment. We're able to transfer goods back and forth. We get some nice sets of planning parameters that we can set individually at each location. And there are a couple of different types of MRP areas that are available. One is to facilitate our relationships with our subcontractors. Our planning then starts to look a little bit more like if we were transferring across plants. We're able to receive goods directly into the subcontractor. They don't necessarily have to pass through our facility first. There's a lot of great advantages that come with being able to separate that out into the MRP area if you have a need for it and it makes sense for your process. The other thing that it's used for is if we need to differentiate across different storage locations or different parts of a plant, and we need to be able to have more specific planning information there. It gives us that additional level of finiteness in our planning parameters versus what we can do from a storage location perspective. So if I come in here and I click on this little button, if MRP areas are enabled for you, you'll see that you have entries here already. I can see the different MRP areas that are out there. So if it is a 0-1, that simply means that it is a plant level MRP area. So that means we haven't broken it out. It's still performing like it did previously. It's your main location or your plant.